It seems to be all about the cloud, coming in at $11.9 billion in revenue. How much market share are they taking from Amazon?
Well, Microsoft is the fastest growing player in the cloud computing field. Amazon is still the big dog in the fight with its AWS cloud service, but Microsoft is coming on very strongly, a clear number 2 player behind AWS, and everybody else kind of bringing up the rear. But yeah, 62% year-over-year growth with Azure is pretty astounding, even in the world of cloud computing. And we don't see that slowing down at all for the near future.
In terms of that enormous contract that it got with the Pentagon, $10 billion, is there now an expectation that Microsoft will continue to deliver big deals like this? How much more upside is there?
I think a lot of it is derivative off of that. You know, when you win a big deal like that, everybody wakes up and says, hey, there must be something really going on there. Let's check it out. And indeed, that has happened. And there are a number of sectors that have gone pretty strongly with Microsoft as a cloud provider. So will there be more big deals like that? We doubt that there will be gigantic deals in cloud. I mean, cloud by its very nature tends to be just a bunch of really small deals adding up. But occasionally you get something like this. And that JEDI contract with the government, $10 billion over a certain amount of time, that's a lot of money, but mostly I think it's just raised the awareness that Microsoft is a real serious player here, and indeed it is.
Glenn, personal computing revenue also coming in better. Is there something specific Microsoft is doing, or are we just in the midst of a bull market within personal computers?
Well, there's been a lot of refresh in computers lately. You know, the older systems are slowing down, and people want to get new computers, and you know, most of those are running Windows. So yeah, the growth there is probably attributed mostly to that. Plus, you know, with the end of Windows 7 support, a lot of people were sort of forced into going with a new machine to support Windows 10. So that's probably part of it there.